Every day, something valuable is thrown away without a second thought.
But here, waste begins its journey toward luxury. Length, texture, and quality decide everything.
Each bundle carries its own hidden worth. A quiet supply chain moves through the city.
Only specific hair earns a second life.
Before the factory comes control.
Every kilogram is documented.
Traceability starts from the source.
Preparation for the long journey begins. From many hands to one destination. The raw material leaves the streets behind.
Every load is secured for purity.
The journey is now official.
Next stop, the heart of transformation.
The raw material begins its controlled journey. Distance separates waste from purpose. Protection preserves quality.
Momentum carries potential forward.
Precision begins long before machines. The destination comes into focus.
Access is strictly controlled.
Raw material enters a regulated world.
Every movement follows a plan.
Positioning is precise.
Transport ends, processing begins.
The factory receives its input.
Verification protects the process.
Mechanized handling takes over.
The transformation is about to begin.
This is where raw hair gains new purpose. Every entry is carefully controlled.
Scale defines efficiency.
Cleanliness starts with people. Placement is never random. The line comes alive. Manual precision meets automation. Every path is designed.
Air quality protects the product.
Data follows every strand. Each stage stays isolated.
Human oversight keeps balance.
Visibility ensures accuracy. The raw phase ends here. Transformation begins at the threshold. The raw form finally reveals itself. The first layer of impurity is removed. Air replaces force. Nothing unwanted moves forward. Human eyes still matter. Length defines the path. Tone begins to take shape.
Order replaces chaos.
The air stays clean.
Balance is measured.
Identity is preserved. Many streams become one.
Standards are enforced.
The deep cleanse awaits.
Purity now takes control. The core purification begins. Chemistry is measured, not guessed. Heat activates deep cleansing. Residue is left behind.
Only purity moves forward.
Nothing is wasted. Moisture is precisely reduced.
Balance is confirmed.
Gentle handling protects quality. Drying begins slowly.
Evenness defines consistency.
Structure is preserved.
Quality is felt, not assumed.
The core process concludes.
Now, refinement truly begins. Refinement demands precision.
Strength is restored at the fiber level.
Balance protects longevity. Heat reshapes without harm.
Uniformity begins here.
Resilience is confirmed. Luxury begins to appear.
Form is locked in place.
Machines verify perfection.
Experience still leads.
Consistency is engineered. Nothing goes unused. The transformation is complete. Automation now takes control.
Precision enters a new level. Automation begins with accuracy.
Eyes of code never blink. Every strand finds its place. Control protects integrity. Imperfections are corrected instantly. Many lines move as one.
Static is silenced.
Precision is enforced.
Balance defines luxury.
Only approved material proceeds.
Uniformity takes shape.
Efficiency without compromise. Every detail is recorded. Automation hands over to finesse.
Perfection is refined next.
Finesse begins where automation ends.
Every strand must agree. Luxury is polished, not rushed.
Symmetry defines quality.
Measurements confirm perfection.
Human touch still matters.
Smoothness is engineered.
Form is locked once more.
Consistency builds trust.
This is the look of refinement.
Balance is finalized.
Protection without pressure. The finishing line is cleared.
Now, quality must be proven.
Excellence faces its final test. Quality begins with traceability.
Flaws cannot hide.
Strength is measured, not assumed. True quality rebounds.
Stability matters.
Nothing unwanted remains. Balance is verified.
The surface tells the truth.
Retention proves craftsmanship. Tone must be exact.
Experience gives the final word. Certified for luxury.
Standards allow no shortcuts. The journey nears completion.
Presentation comes next.
Quality now meets presentation.
Protection comes before beauty.
Luxury takes its final form.
Security is sealed in.
Identity travels with every unit. Prepared for the world. Each box tells its story.
Scale meets order.
Stored under perfect conditions.
The final journey is scheduled.
Handled with care to the end.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury wigs from start to finish.
Crafted here, delivered worldwide.
Innovation lives inside these walls.
What should we uncover next?